After taking office, the BJP government in Uttar Pradesh has been taking one swift decision after another. But the people of the state really have been waiting for the decisions promised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP party chief Amit Shah at the electoral rallies. After about 2 weeks of waiting, expectations were high among the farmers of the state when the UP cabinet met for the first time on Tuesday. After the meeting that lasted about an hour and a half, the state government made a historic announcement for small and marginal farmers in the state by waiving off their loans up to 1 lakh rupees each.
कर देता हूँ 30729 करोड़ अंदाज से 1 लाख रुपए तक की जिन्होंने ऋण लिया है उसको वहां तक की उनके अकाउंट से उनको माफ किया जाएगा। कोई 7 लाख किसान और हैं जिन्होंने लोन लिया था वो लोन एनपीए बन जाता है। उनके जो लोन का अमाउंट है वो है 5630 करोड़। ये फुल हम लोगों ने राज्य सरकार ने इसको माफ किया है।
The government has waived loans taken up to 31st March 2016 for the fiscal year 2016-17 by small and marginal farmers up to a maximum of 1 lakh rupees. The decision will benefit about 86 lakh small and marginal farmers in Uttar Pradesh, the exchequer 36,359 crore rupees. The state proposes to float Kisan Rahat bonds to fund the loan waiver scheme. There are about 2.3 crore farmers in Uttar Pradesh, and this decision of the cabinet will benefit about 2.15 crore farmers. Besides the loan waiver, the Yogi government has taken several other important decisions. The government has announced big plans for the wheat procurement this harvest season. The target of procurement has been substantially raised from the usual level of 8 lakh metric tons to 80 lakh metric tons. Other than the minimum support price, the farmers will be given additional money for transport of the harvest.
अभी तक सिर्फ 5 लाख टन और 8 लाख टन की खरीद होती थी। हमारी सरकार ने पहले चरण में ही 80 लाख मैट्रिक टन गेहूं खरीद का लक्ष्य रखा है। 40 लाख से शुरुआत की है। 40 लाख मैट्रिक टन पहले चरण में। जो एमएसपी है 1625 रुपए वो तो उसको मिलेगा ही, साथ ही साथ प्रत्येक टन पर 10 रुपए ढुलाई और लदाई भी किसान को दी जाएगी।
The government has also announced that a new industrial policy is in the making to make state the preferred destination for investment across the nation. A new group of ministers has been constituted for the purpose, which will make a report soon.
इसके लिए एक नई उद्योग नीति बनाने का फैसला किया है। एक मंत्री समूह का गठन माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने किया है, जो अलग अलग राज्यों में जाकर वहां की उद्योग नीति की जो बारीकियां हैं उनका अध्ययन करेगा और अपने प्रदेश उत्तर प्रदेश में सिंगल विंडो के माध्यम से हम एक अच्छी उद्योग नीति का यहां निर्माण कर सकें। उसके लिए
The government has also decided to tighten the noose around illegal mining in the state. A group of ministers or GOM has been constituted for the purpose, which will submit its report in 1 week's time. The UP government also stamped its approval on the ordinances to ban illegal slaughterhouses and to sanction anti-Romeo squads. An international quality sports stadium will also be built in Ghazipur. The BJP government in UP has fulfilled its most important promise from its election manifesto of waiving farm loans for farmers. Now the government has made it clear that it will fulfill every promise from its manifesto. With inputs from Lucknow Bureau, Newsnight Desk, DD News.